Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Yo, let's do a quick recap of this week. You know what I'm saying? But once again, it's Ace back with another video. See me as I go from literally $0 in my bank account, two funded, two six figures, seven-figure trader, out my parents' crib, bro, into a mansion, possibly. What's going on, guys? Another video. This is a chart end of the week chart breakdown. It's Friday. I just came from my morning run and I am feeling so energetic right now. So I get to the chart breakdown. And I can be honest with you guys, this week was literally a loss for me. I just lost 1% this week. I literally took one trade and that trade did not play out. But I can't say I've seen the mistakes I've made on these trades. Um, and that's what we're here for. Because like I said, these videos are for me to look back on and see the mistakes that I'm making and improve on myself as I go. And at the same time, you guys are able to improve yourself as well. So right now, let's just move the screen over here and let's look at the trade that I was in USD. First of all, before we get to the trade that I was in, let's go to the trade that I broke down earlier this week, AUD and see what I was looking for. This was the only pair that I was most likely interested in otherwise than USD CHF for this week. So we had AUD USD. I remember I said this is what I was looking for. Price was at this level, and I said I wanted to break up this level, a retest for it to go up in structure. But you see, I literally waited. There was no signal. Nothing showed confirmation that price was going upwards and upwards bar. I said I needed a closure above this level. There was no closure above this level, so I remained out of the trade. That's what discipline calls for, and that's what I did. So price fell down, and now we're having a downward spiral. Now, guess what? The daily is daily is still bullish. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. The daily is literally still bullish. But at this moment, am I interested in any trade? No, unless price comes up and comes up and back into this area, then I'll be interested in a trade. So right now, I am not interested in a trade. And obviously, it's the end of the week, so it's Friday, um, the 23rd of June. So now let's look at the you see crazy gold is coming after the retest that I was looking for. So that's perfect. So next week that might be a good lineup. So let's go to USDCHF, the trade that I was in. Wow, this is so crazy. This is so freaking crazy. Price literally wicked me out by freaking pennies and came back and Oh, I mean, but this is day. Let's see how much time does it have until it closes. Daily is still, very. Did it have a shift of structure? Yo, if this has a shift of structure, bro, we're entering into this trade right now. Price literally went up. Where's the shift of structure? There's literally no shift of structure happening. Okay, but I can't say based on the 30 minutes, if price closes below this area here, I'm selling again once more, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, next week, most likely we're selling. Remember what I said. Most likely we're selling USD CHF. We're gonna continue with the sales most likely next week. If there's more of an interesting trade, then I'll probably not sell it. But for right now, price closes below this area right here. I feel it was valid for sellers. I believe this is gonna happen. It's gonna come up, do a heads and shoulders, and then continue to the downside. That's what I believe is going to happen. But USD CHF was a loss, literally wicked out by like basically a few pips, bro. And price was in profit, came back up, and now it's like being an a-hole right now. But like I said, this looks like a possible. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I literally could sell this right now. I'm not even capping with you guys. I could literally sell this right now because price literally is forming a structure here. I could sell this right now. I literally can sell this right now. But it's early in the morning. Is this going to continue? Is this by the end of the day continue downwards? Like literally, let's see. First of all, let me take a picture of this and add this to my um copy this and I get it added to my USD CHF trading plan. You know what I'm saying? Right there, USD CHF. So we can know that it was a loss. Let's keep this red and red. And let's go back. Yo, like literally, like I believe this is gonna continue to the downside. Look at this. Interesting. It's at 1.8, though. That's really nothing. This let's see here. Price is gonna continue to sell. I really believe that price is gonna continue to sell. But I am not entering this trade because it's obviously Friday, 9 a.m. I don't believe that this trade will sorry. I don't believe this trade will continue. It possibly can. It looks like it's gonna have like a lot of pressure to go down to the downside. And looking at Euro USD, look, it might get some bullish momentum to continue to the upside. It feels kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie. I don't cap you guys like continue going down. So for me, I'll just stay out of this for now. But there's like a good trade. Of course, look, the daily is literally bearish. We have a wick now. All we have to do is just kind of close this. If it pushes up a little bit and just enter the trade to continue to the downside. Simple as that. So I ain't tripping it, but beautiful trade. Love you guys. Like I said, Ace, watch me go from $0 in my bank account to funded to 6 to 7 figures out my parents' house and into a mansion, possibly. So, love you guys.